Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Today we will do review exercise 8. The topic of chapter number 8 is linear graphs and their applications. I hope the topic of graph is now easier for you. So, in review exercise we will just revise the concept of graph. So for this we will do some questions. We will start from question number 4. Question number 4 is draw the graph of the following. We have to draw the graph. The first part we will do is y is equals to 7. Here this question is a single variable question. So let's see the solution. Here we have the topic is linear graphs and their applications. Review exercise 8, question number 4, second part. And the question is y is equals to 7. Here we only have one value, which is y is equals to 7. When there is no value of x, it means x is 0. So on x-axis we did not take any value because there is no x. And on y we have taken the equal distance on both sides, upward and downward. We have taken the same distance. We will use scale to measure this, and I have marked this as 7 because here is only one value, so there is no need to take many values. Just take the value we need. It is 7, so I have marked the point 7, and the same point, the same distance is minus 7. We have to draw the graph of y is equals to 7. So this is our required point. I have drawn the line of the graph and I have put arrowhead on both sides and write the equation y is equals to 7 near the line. Clear? This is a simple graph. Now let's see the second question we will do today is y is equals to 4x. Now this graph is of double variables y and x. Let's see the solution. Here we have y is equals to 4x. I already have told you in my previous videos that whenever there are two variables, you have to draw the tables. You have to draw the table. You can draw the table column wise or and horizontally like this. Now, so when we have two variables, we will draw a table like this. You can draw a column wise table or this horizontal table. Here you can see the value of x is bounded by this 4. So x is independent variable and y is dependent on the values of x. So here x, the values of x we will suppose 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2. Then we will put these values one by one in this equation and the value of x, y will come out automatically. For example, if I put 0 here, 4 zeros is 0. So the value of y becomes 0. When I take x as 1, so I put x 1, 4, 1 is 4. So here value of y is 4. When I put 2, 4 2s are 8. So the value of y is 8. Now make the order pair. For every 0, y is 0. For x is 1, y is 4. So 1, 4. For x is 2, y is 8. 2, 8. And similarly, we have drawn all the ordered pairs. Now, the next step is to plot these ordered pairs. To plot these ordered pairs, we will see the higher and the lower values. For x, you can see the values are simple 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2. So x-axis I have taken the equal distances between all the points. I have used centimeter side. So 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Similarly, I have taken all the digits at the same distance and marked them as 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. But on the y, we have the highest value as 8. That is why if you can see the values of the y are the multiples of 4. That is why I have taken multiples of 4 on y-axis. 4, 8, 12, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. But remember to take the distance between all the numbers equally. Clear? For x-axis I have used centimeter side and for y-axis I have used inches side. Clear? Now plot these points. 0, 0 is the origin. Here it is. 1, 4. 1 is the value of x. Here is the 1. And y is the value of 4. So this is the point. Then x 2, 8. X is the 2. So here is 2. And for 8 we will move here. Clear? Like this I have plotted all the points, and in the end join these points with the help of straight line, because straight line is because we are reading linear graphs and linear means straight. So draw the line with the help of a scale. It will be a straight line. Put arrowheads on both sides because it is a line, and then write the equation for which this graph is drawn. Clear? This is the graph. Clear?